Here we go. Are you mad? What's that? No, you go there. You're f***ed, mate. No, you go that side. You go on the proper side of the road. No.
You just need to go back.
Do you want me to call the police?
Call them then. F***ing hell. Are you the police then?
What does that sign say? Why are you on the wrong side of the road?
Get out my f***ing way.
Just go on the proper side.
Get out my f***ing way, bro.
No.
F***ing days. What are you? What the f*** are you?
Why are you driving on the wrong side?
Your f***ing business, mate. F***ing way.
Go on the proper side of the road.
On my f***ing days. Are you the f***ing government aside? You look like a mess.
All these guys coming the other way.
Blocking every f***ing possible.
No, you are blocking everybody. You are driving dangerously.
You are a f***ing WasteMan. Go get a f***ing life, you idiot. Get out of f***ing life, bro. Get out of f***ing way.
Go back.
Get out of f***ing way.
This is a bad idea. This is a bad
Don't be stupid.
What are you on about?
It's a very bad idea. You're about to try and hurt somebody.
What? I know you.
This is a real bad idea, pal. This is a very bad
Lose
idea.
your ego and go back there.
It's a guy on the wrong side of the road. What are we supposed to do?
Thank you, sir.
Big ego, Dave.
The more you wait here, the more you lose. The quicker you go there, the less you lose. Oh, end of battery. It's alright, not a camera running.
Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Selfish and impatient.
Look at you ugly as
It's about keeping lives.
Ugly, bro.
It's about keeping lives from dangerous drivers like you.
Don't talk. You need some pussy in your life. You're fucking waste my leg.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir. Shukran, shukran. Now you're using your phone. Shall I report you for using your phone? That's I'm definitely reporting now for using your phone. Cry, baby. Cry, baby. Dear, oh dear.
Well played, sir.
Thank you very much. We've got another one coming here.
Where'd you get the red card?
I printed it on my 3D printer. It's got cycling. Here we got another one. Watch. It's got cycling Mikey on the other side.
Is that you?
Yes.
Cheers, cycling Mikey.
Have a good day. This is a risky one. Good morning, sir.
Are you on patrol?
Yes, that's it.
Is that a common thing that they do?
Shocking, isn't it?
Because I was the gentleman who helped you move that.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you spoke to the guy. Yes, that was really good. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate you being calm and just talking nicely to him, because that gave him the salve for his ego, right?
Exactly.
You're awesome.
Exactly.
Can I put this on with him?
Sure you can.
Thank you so much.
But,
No, you know, that was a very good thing you did. It's,
you've got to go underneath a little bit and get
yeah.
and, you know.
I thoroughly approve. I'm grateful to you.
God bless you.
Have a great day. Lots of business to you. Good morning, sir. Be lucky. I scold them too. Toba, toba, toba.
Do you watch it?
No.
Okay, say that
I give you a red card, you're going to be on YouTube.
yeah, then